Okay, I'm at the 400-yard range today. Kind of shot up that coyote. I was testing some different loads in one of my AR15s. It's a Rogue Defense, made out of Milwaukee, Oregon. It's a good rifle. It's not an upper tier or anything like that, but it does a good job. It's got a 20-inch Bushmaster H-bar in it, 1-9 twist, so it's an older bushy barrel. I kind of stopped recording there. Had some couple guys show up at the range. I was talking to them about my camera system, and they wanted to see how it worked, so I put those 5 shots on the coyote there. That's a sub-MOA 5-shot group with the AR15. Let's see if I can. I'm going to try 3 shots on his head. Getting left to right wind, so I'm going to have to hold off a little to get all 3 shots on his head. So let's see if I can maybe duplicate that. I want to get more of a center hit on his head though. So going hot here. 50 grain Nosler Ballistic tip. My friend's going to be pretty happy because he gave me some of these bullets to try out. I'm loading it with tack powder, and they seem to be doing pretty good. The other group there that I shot was a sub half MOA 3-shot group there in blue. That's not too bad for 400 yards. So 3 shots here ahead of the coyote. Left hold for the wind. Running a cheap Burris AR scope. It's a 4.5 to 14 by 42. Second focal plane. Okay, going hot here. Oh, hit him in the ear. That ear is about ready to break off too. That looks like another sub-MOA group there, guys. I'm going to change the color. Go yellow this time for this group. We're using a 2 MOA hold. Looks like a 1.5 MOA hold would have worked better. There we go. I'm going to hit the shot locator just to make sure, but yeah, it's those 3 shots there. Let's see what kind of a group that is. I'm thinking about 3.5 inches. Go right up there. Yeah, 3.7. So that's basically a 0.8, almost 0.9 MOA group. Similar to this 5-shot group here. Same load. Slightly windy conditions here. I mean, it's not horrible. It's off and on. But I mean, that's how a decent AR shoots. I mean, this isn't one of my precision ARs, but it does pretty good. Let me try 3 shots real quick on his head, okay? I might look stupid here. I'll miss. 3 shots on his head. I'm going to still try to maintain that same hold, maybe a 1.5 MOA hold this time. Three shots fairly quick. Okay, yep. I think all three of those were hits. Let me hit that shot locator again. Yeah. Just pelting his head there. Three fairly quick shots. Oh, let me change the color again. I think I can use... I'm all out of color options here, I think. Let's see here. I believe that other one was there. So that is group 6. 2.86 inches. That's a .68 MOA group, kind of a fast fire group there, 400 yards. Thanks for watching.